Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this shopping haul game filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect, just visit your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, you should see this image. Okay, the first one. Okay, this one. This is the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do? Tap on the search button and search for shopping haul. Okay, the first one with 4.6 million videos. Okay, this is the effect. Just tap on it. Okay, suppose you are getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do? Go to your For You page and here search for shopping haul filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you can't see the effects here on the top, then what you can do, tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys. Like why you should get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.